Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to use a limit box. I'm going to use a ball sprite that I created in a previous video. So let's have a look at that. So you just need to look at the settings and you can apply them to your sprites. Right, so limit boxes allow us to manipulate the sprite automatically. So we're going to use the limit boxes. So we need to first off initialize it. So we say s.limit initialize. And then we can say s.limit dot, right, and for this purpose I'm going to do a viewport action. So I say dot viewport action, open bracket, and then I need to put a limit action. So I can say limit action dot, let's make it bounce. So the viewport is the current screen area, wherever the screen is. So if the sprite's inside, it's okay. Now, one thing to remember about limit boxes is the sprite's got to be completely inside the limit box before the actions take effect. Okay, now, and obviously to see this bounce we need to move it, so we're also going to, in this video, look at moving sprites. So I'm going to say velocity.x equals 100, so that's going to move the sprite 100 pixels per second to the right. So let's just run that and see what it does. Chug chug chug. So it's moving 100 pixels per second. It's jerky because of the video recording, and it's bounced at the edge of the screen. So it should go back the other way. Okay, so that might be useful for something. Let's change the type and let's do wrap exact. And what I'm also going to do is I'm going to give it a velocity in the y direction. So that's 200. So it's going to go down. Positive is down for Y. And this time it's going to wrap when it goes off the screen. So a bit like asteroids. And again, it's jerky because of the recording software, which is a bit annoying, but hey. So limit boxes are quite handy. You'll see you just need to experiment with them. And there's lots of different ones. So we can do wrap X, bounce Y. So let's try that one. So that's going to wrap around the sides, the left and right, but it'll bounce when it hits the top and bottom. So there might be a reason why you want to do that. I don't know what the reason is, but there might be. Okay, nice little effect. And a very useful one for things like bullets is to kill them, but when they go past. I'll show you the difference. So kill past, run it, and then the sprite will just be gone when it goes, but only when it goes completely off screen. The sprite's gone. If I do kill touch, run it, you'll see as soon as it hits the edge, you can use that like for force fields and things like that. Goes. If you're doing a bullet, obviously you want it to disappear off screen before it gets murdered. Okay. So that's limit boxes. Mess about with those at your pleasure.